everybody knows what this is. It's a micro jig gripper, probably one of the most popular push blocks on the market. Well, they've improved it. This is the Gripper Plus, and there's a couple of changes here. One primarily being it's now at a lower price. We like lower prices. Let me show you what it can do. If you've been living under a rock and you don't know what the gripper is, it's one of the best push blocks on the market in my opinion. I've been using one for years. This one's mine. I bought it, here it is, I love it, great. I use it almost every time I use the table saw. For one, it has an adjustable base under there that will allow you to get over the top of the blade and push this across without worrying about your hand getting in the blade. We don't want that, that'd be bad. It also has an adjustable foot here, or leg, or whatever you want to call that. It'll drop down. That way if you're cutting thicker stock, it does still allow you to keep balance on this push block. And this allows you to do 3 directions of pressure to keep a safer cut. Down, as well as toward the fence and away from you or through the blade. So you're getting those 3 essential directions of pressure so you can get a good, accurate, and clean cut. That's where the gripper has always shined. It's an amazing tool. Love it. This new Gripper Plus adds a little sight window that lets you know where this middle leg is so you don't cut into it. In other words, you'll know at a glance where the blade's going to be in relation to this push block. I like this little feature. Typically you're using this push block when you're trying to make cuts and you need to be closer to the fence. That's where this really shines, and that's why this little window works so well. Right now I've got my fence set on 2 inches. If this sight window covers up the 2-inch mark, then we know that it's going to hit this center leg. If we can move this away outside that 2-inch mark or in toward the fence and it not cover up the 2 inches, then this will be clear. Still the gripper you know and love with an added feature and a lower price. You can't complain when they add stuff to it and they lower the price. I like that a lot.